Hi, I'm Tom from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be doing you a full walkthrough video on this approved used vehicle. Here we have the brilliant BMW X5 3-litre M Sport Auto xDrive. It does come to us with 21,080 miles on the clock, and it is a petrol plug-in hybrid. If you are interested in this vehicle at any point during this video, please give us a call on 01204 786 586. It does come with some optional added on extra features, including your electric folding Towbar, as well as your upgraded alloy wheels. As you can see, these are stunning and really complement the exterior very nicely. You do also have your LED headlights, ensuring you always have crisp visibility at night, as well as that menacingly mean body kit running through it that really gives this X5 a very stylish, sporty feel. Here you can see you do have a very spacious boot and enough space for multiple suitcases and all your weekly shopping. Here you do have the button for your tow bar, which you just simply press that there and it comes out like so. Once you're ready to close the boot, all you have to do is press that button and let the X5 do the rest for you. Taking a look into the rear, here you do have your full leather upholstery finished seats. You also have your handy armrest in the centre there. Taking a look into the front, here you do have your full leather multifunction steering wheel as well as your full leather upholstery finished front seats. Now these are extremely comfortable and you can set that perfect drive position with your lumbar supports just below. It really does make for a lovely place to be, especially on them long journeys. Taking a look at your media display now. Here you do have access to the DAB radio as well as FM and AM, so you always have a wide range of different radio stations to choose from. You can also play your favourite songs via the media option. This vehicle does also come with satellite navigation, allowing you to get to those unknown destinations as quickly and safely as possible. As you can see here, you have that extremely clear and easy to follow display. There's plenty more brilliant features that you can now play around with once you take ownership. You can keep up to date with the vehicle's service history. As you can see here, it was serviced by BMW in 2023. You also have access to the Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. This does allow you to move your mobile device so you can use such apps as Spotify, Google Maps, Apple Music and so on, and it really brings the interface to life. As you can see, you have access to all these different apps. Lastly, you do have your different drive modes. You have a choice for sport, hybrid, electric or adaptive, all depending on your driver preference. And here you do have your reversing camera as well as your front and rear parking sensors, allowing you to get in and out of those 10-hour spaces without bumping your lovely new car. Taking a look at your digital cockpit now. Here you do have access to all the vital information you might need when on the go. It's extremely easy to navigate around and you can set this display to your own personal preference. Moving over to your climate controls now. Here you do have access to the dual climate controls. This does allow the driver and the passenger to set different temperatures to one another, allowing for maximum comfort. You also have the heated seats for those cold British winter mornings, as well as your main multimedia display screen controllers just there. RAC extended warranty is available. For more information or go for a test drive, please give us a call on 01204 786 586 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching.